Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Got in another case for review for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus from a company called Moko. Stylish case, perfect protection S9 Plus. Premium, colorful, and protective. Totally agree. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description so you can go over to Amazon. If you choose to want to pick one of these up, you got 3 color choices here. The one I got in is the clear, black, clear, and you got crystal clear for $2.99. Not bad at all. And clear pink. Again, the one I brought in, $8.99. There's a little bit of the description there. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus case, Moko, crystal clear, reinforced corners, TPU bumper, cushions, anti-scratch, hybrid, rugged, transparent panel cover for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, 6.2-inch 2018. Woo! That's a lot of information. All right, again, link will be down in the description area. So let's go ahead and take out this case. Okay, let's put that over there. And actually, it's got this smoked black look to it. Look at that Moko. Love that, man. That looks really cool on the side there. Their brand name. Got all the cutouts. Power button is ridged. That's nice. Really nice. Look at those bumpers. Great drop protection. Great shock protection, because when you drop your device will be shocked. And you're going to love having a case like this on it to protect your beautiful S9 Plus. Okay, so I want to turn off my device. Put this in. And it is working with my Oteo tempered glass screen protector, which is great because it's really nice to see 2 different companies come together and work as one. Oteo is the tempered glass screen protector company, and then you got the Moko company with this case here, and yeah, not causing any issues as far as lifting my protector up. So that these 2 products are going to work well together. I like that. I really love to see that. That makes me really happy. Super stoked. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure that the fingerprint reader works. Bam, that works. Power button, yes. Fingerprint reader, bam. Okay, volume rocker, yes. Nice and tactile, nice and responsive. Music to my ears. Your cutout up top for your mic. Okay, you can see it right there. Bixby, volume rocker. Okay, I already did that. And I love that ridged area there. You got the speaker cutout, the other mic, USB Type-C port, and your headphone jack. And we're going to go ahead and test out the USB Type-C port with the USB Type-C cable. Make sure that we get a charge and that fits in there. Very nice. Bam, just like that. You see that? Turn it off. Okay, another company here, and I don't remember the name of this company, but for these cables that I brought in, but I'll look for that and I can add that in the link down below, and with the Oteo tempered glass screen protector as well too. But the Moko case looking really good. Cutouts are perfect. Everything's working great. Let's go ahead and take a picture and make sure that the cameras are doing their job when taking pictures, and the cutout gives it enough space for no shadowing. And let's take a picture there. Take a picture there. And let's go and, as you can see, look at that. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Look at the detail on that. Wow. All right, everybody. Clear black case. Actually smoked clear black case here from Moko for $8.99 under 10 smacks. You can't go wrong. Good looking, great quality, great protection at a low price of $8.99. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please share this video. Thanks for being a part. Peace. God bless. I'm out. Till my next video. This is my Project 13. You are my Project 13.